Welcome back viewers, good healthy morning. अच्छा जी अब हमारी morning जो है वो और भी good हो गई है क्योंकि अब हमारे साथ जो है one of my favorite और आप लोगों को भी sooner or later बल्कि पता चलता जा रहा होगा माशाल्लाह he's the way he's progressing जिस तरह वो आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं and his hard work is I think it's now paying off and we have a wonderful dancer, extremely flexible and बहुत amazing dancer हैं. He has his own place which is Body Beat Recreational Center where we come for exercise, for dances, for a lot of stuff, and we have Hassan Rizvi with us. Hello Hassan, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Thank you for the very warm introduction.
I think ये अभी भी कम था.
That's very sweet. That's
मेरे
very
पास
sweet.
इतनी सारी चीजें हसन की
You're very nice yourself, which is why you have such nice things to say about other people. But
Okay, now we're
thank you
scratching
so
each
much for
other's back.
thank you so much for having me on your show.
No, it's actually lovely that you're here and हम हसन आपसे इस तरह शुरू करेंगे that I want to know कि why of all the things dancing?
हर इंसान को एक चीज़ का पैशन होता है. मुझे हमेशा डांसिंग का पैशन था. In particular hip hop and Bollywood का पैशन था. तो सोचा कि बचपन से I couldn't put an age to it but बचपन से.
Ever since you started discovering yourself, you're like, I love dancing.
Ever since I started मेरे फैमिली का माहौल ही कुछ बहुत टैलेंट को अप्रिशिएट करने का और बहुत पुश करने का है. So when my parents saw that I'm into dancing, they promoted it, they let me do it, and I come from a very liberal yet religious family, which is a weird combination. But
that's a very nice combination, where they have their mind open with religion as well, because what we usually believe, religion aa gaya to sab kuch band ho gaya. It's not that. Religion aa gaya, religion is in your heart.
Yeah.
Right?
I think religion gets confused with being conservative a lot of times. They don't go hand in, I don't think they go hand in hand. But khair, so that's where I discovered dance, and that's when I started to begin to take it up seriously, and then I studied dance in Canada. I went for my honors in economics, so I did dance on the side. I did a minor in dance, and then I further pursued it. I joined an Indian dance troupe. I think the most I've ever learnt in dance was from the Indian dance troupe. Amazing people, बहुत warm थे, बहुत welcoming थे. हमेशा ये देखते थे कि मैं हलाल खाना मेरे लिए अलग से आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो पोर्क खाते थे तो जब भी उनका खाना आता था तो they knew कि I cannot even eat from the same dish, so they would call for a separate plain cheese pizza for me. बहुत ख्याल रखते थे मेरा, बहुत उन्होंने बहुत ट्रेन किया, बहुत मेहनत की मेरे ऊपर. Believe it or not, I was the worst dancer in that troupe. I was so bad. मुझे समझ
Okay, let's not call it worse. Let's call it different.
No, I was the worst. There is no ifs and buts about it. They're amazing.
Okay, what do you mean by saying worst dancer? Probably you're not doing steps exactly according to जिस तरह बाकी सब लोग कर रहे हैं.
I think बहुत सी चीजें मैं catch नहीं कर पा रहा था जितनी जल्दी वो catch कर रहे थे. अच्छा जब हम यहाँ डांस करते हैं तो हमारे डांस में इतना especially लड़की के साथ इतना वो नहीं होता है, like you're not interacting interacting that much. So उनकी जो couple choreography थी, it took me a really long time to learn partner work because partner work तो मैंने कभी किया नहीं था पहले. और जब भी हम पाकिस्तान में perform करते हैं या कहीं भी perform करते हैं तो usually solo leads perform करते हैं. यहाँ भी जब भी मैं खैर अब तो बहुत टाइम हो गया, जब भी टेलीफिल्म अवार्ड या BCW जहाँ भी मैं perform करता हूँ, I perform as a lead, I don't perform as a couple. So it was very difficult for me to learn how to do couple and how to, गिराना नहीं दूसरे बंदे को ज़मीन पे या कुछ ऐसा भंड नहीं करना स्टेज पे. But बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सीखा उन लोगों से और भी बहुत लोगों से सीखा. Last year when I was selected as the hip hop ambassador to the United States, that was another very fantastic experience.
Wow, seriously?
It was amazing because they took us for a 3-week intensive 14 hours a day training program. With Bollywood,
must be tiring. 14 hours, 14 घंटे एक दिन के.
इतने excited थे हम सब, क्योंकि art ambassadors थे from different countries in the world. I was representing Pakistan. There was a girl representing India. There was Ecuador, Spain, Ukraine, Uganda. So people from all over the world, and we were being trained by Hollywood and Broadway choreographers and directors. So the experience was overwhelming because we were performing where Madonna performs, where Michael Jackson performed, where Janet Jackson performed, where Paula
It was
Abdul
on in
performed.
itself, you know. No,
It
एक तो
was-
performance and दूसरा performing at a place where all of them have performed.
It was
wow.
unbelievable. और हमें एक उन्होंने टास्क दिया था, बहुत ही मुश्किल टास्क दिया था. हमें एक टास्क दिया था कि आप सब लोग एक्सटेम्पोर डांस करें स्टेज पे लाइव ऑडियंस के साथ.
अच्छा.
तो बस आके म्यूजिक लगता था और हमें डांस करना था. रैंडमली एंड लोग आ रहे हैं और जा रहे हैं. तो आई कुड बी ऑन स्टेज और युगांडा का एम्बेसडर आ जाएगा. सो आई विल हैव टू डांस विद हिम. वो जाएगा, मैं जाऊंगा, कोई और आएगा, फिर कोई और आएगा.
And maintaining that chemistry,
Yes.
ताकि वो awkward भी ना लगे.
बहुत, it was one of the
Oh,
toughest
that
things
was
I've ever
the
done.
test, some test, you know.
या क्योंकि यहाँ हम तो बहुत रिहर्सल करते हैं, हर चीज़ पक्का करते हैं. हर इंसान को, मीरा को ले लें आप, मीरा needs to rehearse to death. She will rehearse, चाहे जो भी लोग बोलते हैं मीरा के बारे में. मीरा is a utter professional. She will not touch the stage if she does not know what she is doing on stage.
Wow.
She rehearses through and through. हम सब ये करते
मतलब
हैं.
इतना high headed नहीं that I'll do it anyway and मैं आ
Yeah,
रही
yeah,
हूँ
no,
and
no,
this
no.
is the way we all consider it should be. you
A
know,
successful,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
कोई स्टार सक्सेसफुल हो ही नहीं सकता जब तक वो अपना काम सीरियसली नहीं लेगा.
अच्छा. So this is how you started. इस तरह से सब शुरू हुआ. सबसे मुश्किल चीज़ क्या लगी सीखने वाले प्रोसीजर के बीच में apart from partner dancing? सबसे मुश्किल और क्या लगा? Because एक हर एक के अंदर होता है जिस तरह you know probably you like hip hop
Yes.
है ना. अब कुछ और क्लासिकल उसमें डालना पड़े या कुछ और इसमें डालना, you know, isn't that tough for you? Mind नहीं है वैसा करना नहीं था. You know?
मुझे I'll give you an example. अभी recent बात आई है, मैंने एक साल पहले एक म्यूजिकल किया था. I don't do musicals anymore, लेकिन वो मैंने म्यूजिकल इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मेरे दो बहुत करीब के दोस्त जरमीना और बेकना, आपने शायद सुना हो नाम. उनका म्यूजिकल था, तो I was the villain in that musical. Yes.
That's funny. कहीं से villain नहीं लगते पर you know he's giving me that look which is not even villainous.
So उसमें हम काम कर रहे थे, तो उसमें एक पीस था जिसमें मुझे वहाब शाह एंड जरमीना यूसुफ को एक कंटेम्प्रेरी पीस करना था.
अच्छा.
And for the life of me, I could not get my toes to point. You know when you
वो
jump
तो
up,
आप एकदम कर भी नहीं सकते.
I couldn't get my toes to point. I couldn't, because in hip hop you need to keep your knees bent, your knees spread apart. So you had to keep your legs together and your toes pointed out. And मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा. Like Wahab was getting so frustrated because I couldn't do it, because I've been trained as a dancer that I need to keep my knees bent and my legs open and my feet angled out.
Angled out, huh?
So for me it was very difficult to keep them together and keep it down. तो yeah, I guess कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप थोड़ा सा अलग करने की कोशिश करें, अगर आप स्क्वाश से टेनिस पे आने की कोशिश करें, या although